states of the Federation, of which less than 1% were known to the proprietor. At Baze, every degree is earned through genuine effort, with academic achievement reflecting the true caliber of each student. Despite persistent attempts to influence our standards, we are resolute in our mission and respectfully urge parents and guardians to trust in our method, which prioritize quality education above all. We are driven not by revenue, but by a commitment to academic excellence and a legacy of integrity. I congratulate the family of the honorary awardee, the late Air Vice Marshal Ikwerre Mohammed of Blessed Memory, in recognition of his outstanding contributions to society. To our graduates, may today's ceremony be both memorable and a stepping stone towards fulfilling future paths. I thank my best wishes for a full and quick recovery to our dear lecturer, Professor Helen Jekele, who has been ill for a while now. The prevailing sentiment here today is one of celebration. Not only are our students graduating, but Baze University itself is graduating. We share fully in the joy felt by our graduates and their families. And your inspirations are ours. From this moment onward, our paths are forever connected. Finally, I shall remain grateful and ever so humble for being entrusted to serve as the Chancellor and Chairman of the Trustees of this University, and assure you of nothing but the best. Congratulations to all. Thank you all for your presence and attention. Long live Baze University. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to call upon the Acting Vice Chancellor, Professor K.A. Ebele Okafo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, to deliver her address to the convocation. Acting Vice Chancellor, ma'am.
Chairman, Board of Trustees of Baze University, distinguished members of the Board of Trustees, the Pro-Chancellor Senator Wike Baba Ahmed, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished senators, honorable members of the House of Representatives, the Executive Secretary of the NUC, the guest speaker, Chief Tuka Odom, the Royal Highnesses, members of the university community, the deans, the directors, alumni members of Baze University, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is my profound honor and singular pleasure combined with utmost humility and I welcome you all once again, our distinguished guests, parents, well-wishers, and graduates to this very important convocation on the occasion of the 11th Convocation ceremony of Baze University. This indeed is epoch-making for our university and for our graduates. Being a day, we recognize and celebrate acquisition of knowledge for society as a whole and for humanity. Your graduation today, we have laid the foundation that will epitomize the university slogan, like to live as you go into the wider society. As today marks a significant moment in the history of our graduate, and our state university underscores the vital role of education. As the great philosopher George Washington Carver said, education is the key to unlocking the golden door of freedom. Freedom from poverty, freedom for everything, from health and ignorance. I also mentioned Ikwerre, a French philosopher, who once said that all education can stumble over what kind of future we want. So learn to live. Distinguished guests are highly cherished the board presidents of the chairman and members of the board of trustees, the management members of the Senate, all officers and staff of this university that have played crucial roles leading to this day. Your efforts and sacrifice, your lectures, marking springs and all of them, they are highly and your sacrifice are commended. I say a resounding thank you to all of you. At this juncture, I especially recognize and appreciate Senator Wike our altruistic proprietor, a man of great vision, passion and life for excellence. Without them today, we don't have been realized. We heartily welcome our special guest of honor, Your Royal Highness, Emmy of Duse, Amir Mohud Sanusi CFR, to this convocation ceremony. Your presence, sir, today has added color and touch of royalty to our celebration. Thank you. And thank you. Special recognition must go to Chief Gaudo, former Minister of State for the FCC, who, in spite of all his efforts, has deemed it important to create this occasion with the president. Chief Gaudo, undoubtedly a man of centripetal capacity, as fully as the many things that he has done in this society. You're welcome. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Canadians in academic tradition and their word of the day, I have the supreme honor to inform you that the university today is conferring undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in various disciplines. A total of 523 students have been graduated undergraduate, while 257 graduates. First class, we have 28, and postgraduate, we have 34 distinctions. Baze University also uses this occasion to honor a distinguished Nigerian of blessed memory by granting an honorary award to late A.M. Mohammed, who in his lifetime made valuable contributions to this country. At a time, professional dexterity was called for. On notable milestones of the university, ladies and gentlemen, now already 13 years of our existence, and of course, 12 years as I joined the university has indeed attained many milestones, of which all of you kindly allow me to highlight this word. On growth, Baze is among Nigeria's fastest growing private universities, known for excellence and has won many academic laurels and accolades, teaching and research, quality education, and we are a sought after institute. Infrastructure development. The university has significant improvements in teaching and infrastructure, including a fully operational hospital and a newly completed state building, which will be unveiled today. We have extensive academic program expansion. The number of academic programs has grown, offering various undergraduate and post, including PhD programs. Accreditation achievement. Most of the programs have received NUC accreditation. Clinical partnership. The university has established partnerships the local hospitals for medical training and professional exams and medical laboratory exams have been very much successful. Digital skills training, a Center for Foundation and Interdisciplinary Studies have trained over 2,000 students in digital skills through digital entrepreneurship and collaboration with local and foreign universities. On student safety and well-being, ladies and gentlemen, permit me to mention that this university is very much serious about the welfare of not only our students, but also of our lecturers and staff. Student care and counseling services are taken very seriously. We have an ultramodern university hospital. The university has also completed the 700-bed female hospital, fully operational. The medical lab has a 38-room block of staff hospitals and dental, etc., etc. Discipline. The university maintains zero tolerance to any form of indiscipline, academic fraud or otherwise. Thus, the Baze does not hesitate to appropriately sanction every student. Our examination processes remain IT-driven with minimum or zero manual handling. Using barcode, nobody's name known. Baze University's role in national development. Education without functionality is ineffective. Therefore, for years, the macroeconomic indices of this country have defined our monocultural economy. But we charge all graduates today, and all of us here, there's 400 untapped opportunities. Undoubtedly, all federated units in this country have their unique resources, ranging from gold, uranium, lithium, limestone, granite, marble, zinc, gold, etc., and etc., all in our landscape. Globally, the annual trade volume of gold is in the neighborhood of $300 billion. That's what the gold council, World Gold Council. Annual volume of uranium, of lithium, all in Nigeria, can midwife opportunities for transformational economic advancement. Our students and graduates are now called upon to focus on this area based on the entrepreneurial capability. Statistically, our national economic performance has weakened among global market context. Inflation is currently running at its highest level. The situation is both serious and urgent. And we are urging our graduates today in this platform address to please note that there are boundless opportunities for Nigeria. Already, many of these institutions play pivotal role in the area. I have to say in this welcome address a few words of advice for our graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, personal development is a journey that has no end. Improve your skills, cultivate social and professional networks, and this will take you somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, I say thank you, welcome for coming, and thank you. May God bless us all.
I humbly request Chief Ikwerre Ikwerre, the 11th Convocation Commencement Speaker, to come forward to present his speech. Chief Chuka Ikwerre is a renowned Nigerian lawyer and politician who has left in the public service and the private sector. Although his primary education was interrupted by the Nigerian Civil War, he was undeterred and completed secondary education with top grades, achieving distinctions in 6 subjects. He started as a seminarian, but shifted his focus from priesthood to law, enrolling at the Imo State University, where he served as the founding president of the Law Faculty's Judiciary Committee and editor of the faculty's journal, the Lucena. Upon his graduation and call to bar, he served in various capacities in a distinguished legal career and founded Chuka Odom and Co. He joined the public service and was appointed as a special advisor to the governor of Abia State from 1999 to 2001, a deputy chief of staff from 2001 to 2003, and commissioner for special duties 2003 to 2007 in Abia State. He was the Minister of State for Environment, Housing and Urban Development 2007 to 2009, and Minister of State for the Federal Capital Territory 2009 to 2010. Chief Chuka Odom is an astute politician, a luminary in the legal profession, and a key player in governance and urban development at the federal and state levels. He is a man of the people, and his traditional title, Ugumba, translates to the pride of the people. I present to you the 11th commencement speaker, Chief Chuka Odom.
A special guest of honor, His Royal Highness Emir of Yusuf, Alhaji Mohammed Amandu Anusi Biafra, the new Chancellor of Baze University, distinguished Senator Wike Ahmed FSN, the Senate, Board of Trustees, Governing Council of Baze University, His Excellency, the former Governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, I will seek your indulgence to hide under the robustly established order of protocol to save time. I will also seek your indulgence to acknowledge the presence in this congregation of my lovely wife, Lady Adaku Udomo. I would like to start by congratulating the class of 2024. Congratulations. I can't hear you. Sorry. This address is titled Succeeding Against All Odds. Succeeding Against All Odds. The last 4 years has been a challenging time for us here in Nigeria. Within this period, we witnessed the dying days of a global pandemic you all know, COVID-19, that claimed millions of lives worldwide, and not a few here in Nigeria. We also experienced the chaos, the fear, the uncertainty that usually accompanies every general election in Nigeria. And now we're experiencing an economic and security crisis that's gradually redefining the meaning of hardship. Despite all this, here you are, graduates of the great Baze University. Please give yourselves a round of applause. You already embody the time-honored virtues of hard work, courage, and commitment. Please hold on to it. You will be needing these attributes in the months and years ahead. I would also like to congratulate your parents, your sponsors, and everyone who contributed to making today a reality for you. I'm sure they are all rooting for you and are proud of your accomplishment. Let me also congratulate the staff, the Board of Trustees, the Governing Council of Baze University on the occasion of their 11th Convocation ceremony today. I want to especially thank you for inviting me to deliver this commencement address. I accept and I appreciate this honor. Nothing gives me greater joy than meeting young people with great potentials, prepared to meet the challenges of their time. And that's who you are. 15 years ago, I was on this very ground to lay the foundation stone of this great institute. In less than 2 decades, Baze University has become a reference point for academic excellence in Nigeria. You must be proud to wear the colors of your alma mater. The motto of your school is learn to live. The reverse of this will be something like don't learn, die. Or don't learn, stay there. Learning, you must know, is simply central to a productive life. Your certificates you are receiving today does not signal the end of learning. It is simply a tool, an affirmation that you are now fit and ready to traverse the universe of knowledge. If you reach success, you must be lifelong learner.